silent wish sails the seven seas.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the 15th video in my 2024 Advent series. Before I start looking through this Panasonic 1999 to 2000 vacuum cleaner brochure, I'd just like to remind you about my Amazon wish list that will be taken down very soon. So if you'd like to choose something from that wish list for me to open during my Christmas Day unboxing extravaganza, I would be most grateful. But please remember, if you do choose something, please put a gift note inside. So add a gift note, and then when it arrives and I unbox it on Christmas Day, I'll be able to read out your note and thank you personally. But that wish list, I don't do it often, very occasionally. It's going to be coming down in a few days. So if you're watching this after December 2024, you won't find the wish list. It's just for a limited time for anyone who would like to choose a gift from that list that I can unbox on the channel. Okay, that's the last plug you'll get from me. Let's concentrate on the matter in hand. This lovely Panasonic brochure. I expect there's some quite rare models inside here, especially the cylinder machines, which weren't very common. The upright was quite common. Panasonic did a range of upright cleaners, quite popular in the UK. But I never saw many cylinders, certainly not a cylinder model with a power head and remote control handle. The latest range of Panasonic upright and cylinder cleaners has been designed with a single purpose: to make life easier for you. With over 50 million cleaners produced worldwide, Panasonic have developed a range packed with features that make these some of the easiest models to use and some of the best performers on the market. Those familiar with Panasonic visual and audio products will already know that gimmicks and gadgets will have no place on any vacuum cleaner carrying the Panasonic name. Quite simply, you'll find the perfect blend of the latest technology and ergonomic design to ensure that your cleaning is done with the minimum fuss and the maximum efficiency. Typical of many of the brochures and leaflets I've featured during this Advent series, this Panasonic vacuum cleaner brochure is highlighting some of the main features and benefits of their vacuum cleaner range. Our cleanest performance yet, with up to 1600 watts of power. These machines were obviously made before the EU regulations. Selected models have HEPA filtration or S-class filtration, and some even have a dust sensor that illuminates when there's dirt in the carpet. Some models are ultra silent at 68 decibels, and most have automatic cord rewind. This is the top of the Panasonic cylinder range, the unique model MCE1010. This particular model features a remote control hand grip, an auto setting, and of course an electrically driven power head. Unique motorized turbo head with effortless easy glide cleaning action. Very powerful 1600 watt motor with intelligent fuzzy logic variable control. A unique dust sensor on the cleaning head not only tells you when dust is being collected, but also electronically controls the suction power. A lightweight low noise turbo head with on-handle electronic hard floor carpet cleaning selector. With fingertip control, the cleaning head can be adjusted to suit different floor surfaces. Unique front edge cleaning facility. HEPA clean air filtration system. On-body electronic power display. Standby function for ease of use. No need to keep reaching down to the on-body power switch. Ultra silent motor operation, 68 decibels. 360-degree swivel hose for enhanced maneuverability. Onboard tools help to reach hard-to-get-to cleaning areas. Foot-operated automatic cord rewind. Height-adjustable telescopic extension tubes. Ergonomic handle for easier use and better control. Rod storage clip for easy carry. Rod parking facility minimizes space when cleaner is out but not in use. Foot-operated on-off switch. 4.5 litre dust bag with fail-safe closure mechanism. Here's a close-up of the remote control handle, enabling you to switch from minimum to maximum or auto mode and switch the machine on or off. The power nozzle is quite compact and lightweight and doesn't have any brushes on it, similar to some of the power nozzles and upright cleaners you can buy today that forego brushes for blades. There's also some robotic cleaners from iRobot and others that don't have brushes, so it should remain fairly tangle free, but looking at that, it looks like you can just easily remove that for cleaning and maintenance. And this picture here shows the power head with the dust sensor light, front edge cleaning and power driven maneuverability. The next two pages feature the Panasonic Genius model MCE1000. This machine looks very similar to the previous model, but instead of an electrically driven turbo head, this one has an air driven one. Still has the remote control handle so you can turn the machine on or off and adjust the settings, minimum, maximum and auto. Moving down the range again, we have the 970 series, 3 different models, all looking very similar, but they will vary slightly in features and benefits. None of them have the remote controlled handle or an electrically powered driven brush. This black version, black and gold, very smart, features super silent technology with a 1600 watt motor. We also have a turbo brush on this particular one, suitable for carpets and hard floors. These two models here, the MCE973 and the MCE975, just feature straight suction nozzles. They're both different. I assume that blue one is the bottom of the range. It features a more basic floor head, slightly more deluxe floor head on this very nice racing green and gold design. They all have electronic speed control. They all have 1600 watt motors. The 870 series look very similar. The blue version has a 1500 watt motor, whereas the red version is a 1400 watt machine. They both have a 360-degree swivel hose, S-class filtration, automatic cord rewind, onboard tool storage and electronic speed control. The 1500 watt model also has, apart from the higher wattage motor, a telescopic tube, and the red model has a 2-piece chrome extension tube set. The 700 series is designed for those on a budget or somebody who might want a secondary cleaner to complement their upright. So we have the MCE778 at 1400 watts and the MCE737 at 1350 watts. There are other differences between the cleaners. The blue version has a fixed speed motor, whereas the red one has variable speed. The red one also has a slightly better filtration system. They both have onboard tool storage for 2 of the small cleaning tools, and they both have plastic extension wands. Onto the upright Panasonic cleaners now, starting with the Flagship 560 series. So here it is, the top of the range in this brochure anyway, bagged upright cleaner from Panasonic. This one features the dust sensor, onboard tools, dust bag full indicator, automatic cord rewind and S-class filtration. The next page features 2 of Panasonic's mid-range upright cleaners, the MCE566 and the MCE564. The MCE566 has a 1400 watt motor, S-class filtration, auto beta bar switch, automatic cord rewind and onboard tools. The base model in blue doesn't have the automatic cord rewind or S-class filtration. Instead, it has a 6-level electrostatic filter. Still has electronic speed control though, and Panasonic edge-to-edge cleaning. The last 2 pages in this brochure feature the 460 series uprights and technical specifications. The 460 series have a further increase in power to 1400 watts and the Panasonic edge-to-edge cleaning system to ensure these new 460 series uprights are perfectly equipped to deal with the most demanding of cleaning tasks. So they both have 1400 watt motors and electrostatic filtration. The only difference between these 2 models is the blue version has the electronic speed control. On this final page we can see all the technical specifications of the vacuum cleaners featured in this brochure. We have the cylinder models here in blue and the uprights in yellow. So you can see down this column the various features with tick boxes to show if that machine has the feature, and we've got other specifications including bag capacity, weights, and of course the wattage of the motors. And on the back cover we have other Panasonic catalogues available, including one for televisions, video recorders, DVD players, camcorders, digital video cameras and home communication products. And we also have one for CD, radio cassette, portable CD, portable mini disc, personal stereo, IC recorder, audio accessories and car audio. And the last catalogue features combination ovens, micro and browners and microwave ovens. And we've got details here of Panasonic's UK headquarters and Republic of Ireland sales office. Thank you very much for joining me as I looked through this Panasonic vacuum cleaner brochure. Another quick reminder, if you want to contribute something for my Amazon wish list, please check out the link below. Don't forget, most important, to include a gift note so I can read it out during my Christmas Day unboxing extravaganza 2024. As I've said, if you're watching this outside December, that wish list won't be there. It's only up for a limited time. So until the next video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.